In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an email address. By the end, you'll know how to turn plain text into a clickable email link inside your Outlook signature. So when someone clicks it, their mail app opens with your address ready to go. Start by opening a web browser and going to outlook.live.com. Sign in if prompted. Once you're in Outlook on the web, look toward the upper right corner for the settings gear icon and click it. This opens a quick settings pane. From here, move into the full settings area by selecting the account section. Depending on layout updates, you may see mail or similar categories. The key is to get to the place where you manage your account and message setup. Inside that area, look for signatures. This is where you can create or edit the signature that's automatically added to your outgoing emails. Open your existing signature or create a new one. In the editor, type the email address exactly as you want it to appear to recipients. Keep it simple and professional and make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the address. Next, use your mouse to highlight the email address text you just typed. With the text selected, find the toolbar above the editor and click Insert Link. The icon typically looks like a small chain link. This opens a dialog where you can assign a web address to the highlighted text. In the web address field, enter a mail to link so the click opens a new email message. Type mail to, followed by the address you wrote in your signature. For example, mail to yourname@example.com. If you want to be extra helpful, you can include a preset subject line or body text by adding parameters like mail to yourname@example.com. Subject: Hello. Keep it short and relevant to avoid clutter. Once you've entered the mail to address, click OK to apply the link. You should now see your email address in the signature editor styled as a link. If Outlook shows a save button, click it to commit your changes. Some versions save automatically, but it's always good to confirm. That's it. You've turned a plain email address into a reliable, clickable link inside your Outlook signature. From now on, whenever your signature appears in an email, recipients can click the address and start composing a message right away. If you ever want to update the address or change the link behavior, return to the same signature editor, edit the linked text or the mail to field, and save again. Keeping this link current ensures your contacts always have a fast, frictionless way to reach you.